Hello everyone. Today we will study about pediments and pediplanes. Before starting our today's topic, don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. So, landscape evolution in desert is primarily concerned with the formation and extension of pediments. Generally inclined rocky floors close to the mountains at their foot with or without a thin cover of debris are called pediments. So the definition of pediments is gently inclined rocky floor close to the mountain at their foot with or without a thin cover of debris are called pediments. Such rocky floors form through the erosion of mountain's front through a combination of lateral erosion by streams and sheet flooding. So pediments are formed by a lateral erosion and a sheet flooding. Now, erosion starts along the steep margin of the landmass or a steep side of the technically controlled steep inclusion feature over land masses. Now, once pediment are formed with a steep slope followed by cliff or a free face above it, the steep slope and free face retreat backward. This method of erosion is termed as a parallel retreat of slope through backcasting. So through parallel retreat of slope, the pediments extend backward at the expanse of mountain front and gradually the mountain gets reduced, leaving an insalable which is remnant of a mountain. So after that mountain is reduced and leaving an insalable which is remnant of a mountains. That's how high relief in desert area is reduced to a low features plain called as a pediplane. So peδιplanes is in a desert area where it is reduced to a low feature less plain is called as a pediplanes. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.